In today's tutorial, I want to show you how you can install a fresh copy of Windows 11 on your PC. If you just want to upgrade to Windows 11, the easiest way is to follow my previous video. I have put the link right up above. A fresh copy of Windows 11 will completely erase the contents on your hard drive, and it will put a fresh copy of Windows 11 on your computer. One of the reasons we want to install a fresh copy of Windows 11 on our system is because when you upgrade, it will leave some files behind, or maybe you have a virus or malware on your computer and you want to get rid of them. Whatever the reason may be, but it's fairly easy to install a clean copy of Windows 11, so let's check this out. First off, you will want to check whether your PC is even capable of running Windows 11. Microsoft offers a PC health check application that will tell you whether your PC qualifies or not. And you can access that application by clicking on the link down in the description box of this video. Once you land on that page, download the PC health check tool and install it on your computer. Run the application and it will tell you whether your PC qualifies or not. Once again, installing a fresh copy of Windows 11 will erase all the contents and applications on your hard drive. So you will want to make sure that you have a backup of any critical files that you want to keep. You can use an external hard drive to back up your files, or you can use the easiest approach, and that's to save them on Microsoft OneDrive to sync your files with the cloud. Next, we need a product key for Windows 11. You can use a product key from Windows 7, Windows 8, or Windows 10 to install Windows 11. All of them work to activate Windows 11. To find your product key, go down to the search box, then type in CMD. Click on the best match option. Once the command prompt opens up, type in the following command. I will also include this code in the description box down below. So you can simply copy it and then paste it from here. Once you hit enter, this will show you what your product key is. You can write this down, and when we install Windows 11, you can enter this key value in. If you don't have a license key for Windows, you can buy one directly from Microsoft by visiting the link down in the description box. One thing to notice is that they are currently selling licenses for Windows 10, but you can use that key with Windows 11 as well. Now, if you previously used this computer with Windows, when you are reinstalling Windows on that computer and you log in with the same Microsoft account, then it should automatically activate Windows for you. But by using this code, at least you know what your product key is. With all of that now out of our way, let's go ahead and create Windows 11 installation media. Head to the following website. On this page, scroll down to the second option that says Create Windows 11 Installation Media. Then click on Download Now. This will download an .exe file. Click on that file. Once it opens up, you will have to accept the terms. Click on OK. Next, you can select your language, and you can also decide whether you want to use the recommended settings or not. I will leave that checked and then click on Next. On this screen, you have to select where you want to create your installation media. I recommend creating this on a USB stick, but you need to have at least 8 GB of space for that. Once you are done creating your installation media, restart your PC. When your PC is restarting, you want to boot from your USB media. Typically, on most computers, you will have to press the F2 key or the escape key, and that will present you with all the different boot options. This brings up the setup page. Go through and pick all your preferences. Next, click on Install for a fresh installation. Make sure to click on the Custom. Next, you can select the drive where you want to install Windows 11. And now, you just have to wait a little bit for Windows to install. Alright, and that's how you can clean install Windows 11. Hopefully that worked for you as well. Please consider subscribing and I will see you next time. Goodbye.